Hello,
Hello.
I'm James Graham and I'm the writer of the play History of Falling Things.
I'm Kate Wasserburg and I'm directing the play. This is my third production with James, the third play that he's written that I have directed, and it is a love story. It's about a guy and a girl who have a phobia called choronothetophobia, which is a fear of falling satellites. And because they are scared that things are going to fall out the sky and fall on their heads, they can't leave their houses, and they meet online on the internet and talk via webcam, and fall in love. And it's about whether or not they can work out what they're really afraid of and screw up the courage to leave their houses, because they realise after a while that they only live a few streets away from each other.
Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. That's good. So yes, I think I really just wanted to, especially for now when everything is quite bleak and miserable, I wanted to write something quite uplifting. And so a modern love story where the thing keeping the couple apart isn't like in Romeo and Juliet, like a warring family, or whether it's about class or war. It's just this thing about falling satellites, which is quite weird, but ultimately it's just your standard obstacle which they have to overcome. So yeah, this is our third production. We've done two plays at the Clwyd Theatr, where I was writer in residence and Kate was associate director, and that was in Earl's Court. And so we've come to North Wales, which is cool. We're in our
fourth week of rehearsals.
Yep.
The actors are currently next door learning to jive.
Very cool.
And
we open on the 23rd of April, which we've just realised is Shakespeare's birthday.
And St George's Day,
And St George's Day. And also the day he died on, didn't he? Didn't he get born and die on the same day?
I don't know.
We should know that. Google it.
Find out, come and let us know.
But it's a very fitting day to open on. And yeah, it's going really well.
Next week we move into the theatre. So we've just started playing in lots of sound.
There's lots of music.
Lots of music.
Lots of effects, fireworks, balloons, lots of lights.
3 mirror balls.
3 mirror balls.
If that doesn't get you out, I don't know what will.
No. Animation. Lots of really cool animation, actually.
Yeah, by a very talented animator called Paddy Malloy that we're working with.
Yeah, he's very cool. So yeah, it's a great... so even though it's new writing, but it's got all the things of a really big show, I think.
Yeah.
It's very entertaining, very uplifting, but very relevant. It's about fear and what it is to be afraid of things, whether that's a global crisis or terrorism or things falling from the sky, which happens more than you would think. The amount of weird things that have fallen from the sky, although no one's ever died.
Oh really? Oh,
no,
that's
no
good
one's
to know,
ever died.
James.
A woman got hit by like a little meteor thing in Oklahoma, but no one that I know of has ever died from certainly satellites. But
so you have no excuse.
Yeah.
Come out of your houses, come to the theatre and see our show.
That'd be
Thank
cool.
you.